Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are finally starting this monthly system test 1. This is January fire alarm testing. So, let's go over what we have on the system to start with. Out here, we have a Solex 10, which I got from my friend, Test Alarms and Electric. And this thing is set on medium flash, which is same as the medium sweep tone. Alright, starting in the building, we have a KEC new style, conventional. This one I actually got from Vilma and Tim. Thank you very much. I still thank you even if it was months ago, but still thank you. Right here we have a door magnet, which works pretty good. See if I can get the button there. Works pretty great. And here we have a old style Hochiki smoke with an old style base. Here's the model number real quick if you want. Pause to read it. I'm gonna set the fire alarm panel into default if I don't put it back. Too late. Alright, next device next to it is a detector underneath the roof. So if I take a screwdriver and open this thing up, we have another Hochiki smoke up here. Okay, let's close this thing up. We also gotta test all the devices in the system today. But hey, next we have a Cranford. This thing is set on, what was it? Alternating. Also, all the sounders might have different tones in each video, because I like changing the sounder tones for some reason, but I usually change them. Alright, going in here. Up here, we have another Hochiki smoke, a Zone 4. There's also more devices on Zone 4 out here, which I'll show soon. Up here, we have a white Roshni and a red Roshni, which is also set to alternating. But what's the white Roshni for? It's actually for the door, because this is an emergency door. If you open it, this is a emergency door, so you're not really supposed to open it. But about the Zone 4, we actually have a Concilium heat out here. I had a lot of those Concilium heats, just that I gave them away. Alright, right here we have a old style Esme. Well, these coal points, these were mostly used in the 19s. Yes, I took out the glass because I don't want to smash it. Alright, going in here, we have a call point as Zone 1, a new style from Test Alarms and Electric again. Thank you very much. Right here we have a sounder base, which actually I made homemade, and it's also set on alternating. Right here we have the main panel. It's just in normal mode right now, which it should be. Now there's actually one more zone that I forgot to say. It's out in the woods, so let's go there. Zone 8 is in this building right here. This building is actually some type of... I just made this for fun, and that's why to put fire alarms in it. So, here's Zone 8. It's just a Hochiki smoke. And right up here, we have an Ascari, which is set on continuous. Just like that, we can start the test. First ever test, monthly test. So let's go put the panel into test mode. First of all, let's get some tools. So I have a KC key right here I can take. And I also need a screwdriver, which I have somewhere. I don't know where I put it. I got so much shit in here I don't need. Alright, here it is. Alright, to reset that coal point. Alright, now how do you put the panel into test mode? You just press the test button and put it on each zone. However, you can only do 4 zones each time for some reason. If I try putting this one, it will go into fault. You can't do it. However, we can test 4 zones, then turn them off, and then turn on the other 4 zones. They also says on the devices which are the zones, so yeah. Let's start. Alright, let's start with zone number 1. Okay, it's reset. Now we can go over with zone number 2, which is a smoke detector. I actually got some fake smoke right here we're gonna test it with. So let's go ahead and test it. And yes, the door magnet does not close when the system is in test mode, so we're gonna set it off in the end of the video. Okay, let's test the smoke. And yes, I will have to take down the detectors for a little bit and blow them, because they will reactivate. Here we go. I think that should be enough. That should be good. There. Okay, let's take it down. And now we gotta blow in it. That should be good. We can go ahead and put it back up. Alright, our next device to test is this old call point. Let's go. Just like that, it's reset. It's very easy to reset, so yeah. Alright, our last device to test on first zones are this smoke detector, and then we'll have to disable this area and continue down there. And there and out in the woods. Here we go. That should be good. Yep. Take it down and blow on it. That should be good. Put it back up. Okay, we can go ahead and undisable. Or untest, I should say, sorry. So we just go ahead and do this. And we go ahead and do it here. There we go. Now we can go ahead and continue testing. Alright, our next device to test is zone number 5, which is right here. This is the entrance hall smoke, old one. Let's test it. That should be good. I hope. Yep. Now we gotta take it down and blow in it. Can put it back up. There we go. Next device to test is up here in this ceiling. We can go ahead and test it. That should do it. Yep, there that light turns on. I still like how you have to blow in these smokes to make them turn off. Alright, there we go. That's that one tested. Next device to test is this call point. Yes, it uses glass, so I gotta test it with the key. I don't have extra glass, so let's get the key in. Okay, here we go. And yes, the light does not work because this panel does not like lights. Okay, one more device to test. Actually, there's 2 more devices to test. We got the one outside here to test. But we gotta turn off the door alarm in that case, because it is pretty annoying. There we go. I got a heat gun, so we go ahead and test that detector up there, which is also on zone 4. Heat detector. Here we go. There we go. I accidentally forgot to put the thing into test mode, so let's go ahead and reset. I forgot to put zone 4 into test mode because I forgot to test the device. Let's hope it does not reactivate. Okay, our last device to test is this one up here. So let's go ahead. That should do it. And this scare is loud. So let's go ahead and take it down real quick so it doesn't reactivate. That should do it. Let's put it back up. Hopefully it doesn't reactivate. Okay, the panel is back into normal operation. And we can go ahead and test the door magnet by... Okay, now let's test the door magnet with this cold point. Also, the Solex 10 works great. It's hard to pick up on camera, but it works great. Sounds good! Zone 7, which is the cold point. Yes, I haven't named any of these yet, but I will. Probably in the next video. Okay, we're gonna reset. Put the key back. So, if you got any suggestions for the next video, like which device I could test next or which tone I could have on the system, let me know in the comments. Well, that's everything I got for this video. Thank you guys for watching.